Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When you are making scalloped potatoes, the tendency is to want to get the potatoes peeled and sliced and then soak them in water till you are ready to use them. Potatoes have a lot of starch in them, and when you soak them you are releasing this starch into the soaking water. 4 March 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you have a lot of sour cream in your scalloped potatoes or add something acidic, your potatoes may not soften. You can cook the potatoes with heavy cream or milk and then, after they soften, stir in sour cream. If you have a lot of very acidic tomatoes in a paella, the rice may never soften.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to thicken scalloped potatoes. Once you have the milk mixture, in the recipe below, made. Using a fork, mix the cornstarch and milk mixture together until there are no more lumps. Pour the cornstarch mixture back into the pot of milk and whisk together. Let cook for 1 more minute. This should thicken up the sauce. The 5th of November 2018.
Take our lead.
It is not necessary to peel the potatoes when using Yukon Gold potatoes. If using russet potatoes, be sure to peel your potatoes. To make scalloped potatoes ahead of time, bake the scalloped potatoes as directed. Then, allow them to cool, cover tightly with foil and refrigerate for up to 3 days. 9 December 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Directions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Butter a 2-quart shallow baking dish and rub with garlic. Place dish on a rimmed baking sheet and bake on top rack until potatoes are tender when pierced with a knife, about 1 hour. Uncover and bake until top is golden in spots, 30 to 40 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.